Welcome to Freedom Fully, where we explore living fully and aging gracefully.
Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Freedom Fully. I'm so grateful you've chosen to spend these precious minutes with me today. If you're new here, this channel is all about embracing the freedom that comes with intentional living, especially as we navigate the wonderful journey of our golden years. Today, we're diving into something that can truly transform your daily experience. A simple yet powerful stretching routine designed specifically for seniors. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. I'm not flexible, or I've never been good at this stuff. But here's the beautiful truth. This isn't about being a contortionist or achieving perfect poses. This is about giving your body the gift of movement, reducing stiffness, and reclaiming the joy of feeling comfortable in your own skin. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through a routine that takes just 15 minutes of your day, but can make hours of difference in how you feel. We'll focus on the areas that tend to get tight as we age: your neck, shoulders, hips, and lower back. And I'll show you modifications for every fitness level, whether you prefer to stand, sit, or even do some of these in bed. Before we begin moving, let's talk about why this matters so much for our bodies after 60. As we age, our muscles naturally lose some of their elasticity, and our joints can become stiffer. This isn't a failure of our bodies, it's simply part of the natural aging process. But here's the empowering part. We have so much control over how this affects our daily lives. Regular stretching increases blood flow to our muscles, which helps deliver nutrients and remove waste products that can cause stiffness and discomfort. It also helps maintain our range of motion, which is crucial for everything from reaching into high cabinets to bending down to pet our grandchildren's dogs. But perhaps most importantly, stretching helps us maintain our independence. When we can move freely and without pain, we can continue doing the things we love: gardening, playing with grandchildren, traveling, or simply getting through our daily routines with ease and confidence. The routine I'm sharing today focuses on functional movements, stretches that directly translate to activities you do every day. We're not trying to become gymnasts, we're trying to become the most comfortable, mobile versions of ourselves. Let's prepare our space together. You'll need just a few simple things: a comfortable place to sit. This could be a sturdy chair, the edge of your bed, or even your couch. If you have a yoga mat, wonderful, but a towel or carpet works perfectly too. You might also want a pillow or cushion for extra support. Most importantly, wear clothes that allow you to move freely. This isn't about looking perfect, it's about feeling comfortable. And please, listen to your body throughout this routine. If something doesn't feel right, modify it or skip it entirely. Your body is your wisest teacher. Take a moment now to set an intention for our time together. Maybe it's to feel more comfortable in your body, to reduce morning stiffness, or simply to give yourself this gift of self-care. Whatever it is, hold that intention gently in your heart as we begin. Let's begin with our neck and shoulders, areas that hold so much tension from daily activities like reading, computer work, or even sleeping. Gentle neck rolls, 30 seconds. Sitting comfortably with your feet flat on the floor, let your chin drop gently toward your chest. Feel that lovely stretch along the back of your neck. Now, slowly roll your head to the right, bringing your ear toward your shoulder. Don't force it, just let gravity help. Roll your head back to center, then to the left. This isn't about making big circles. It's about gentle, mindful movement. Shoulder blade squeezes, 45 seconds. Place your hands on your shoulders and imagine you're trying to squeeze a pencil between your shoulder blades. Hold for 3 seconds, then release. This helps counteract the forward head posture that's so common in our daily lives. Feel how this opens up your chest and strengthens the muscles that support good posture. Cross-body shoulder stretch, 60 seconds each side. Extend your right arm across your body at shoulder height. Use your left hand to gently pull your right arm closer to your chest. You should feel this stretch along the back of your shoulder and possibly into your upper back. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply, then switch sides. Remember, if sitting is uncomfortable, you can do all of these standing or even lying down. The key is finding what works for your body today. Now let's focus on your spine, that incredible column that supports everything you do. These movements will help maintain flexibility and reduce stiffness in your back. Seated spinal twist, 90 seconds. Sitting tall in your chair, place your right hand on your left knee and your left hand behind you on the chair. Gently twist your torso to the left, leading with your chest, not forcing with your arms. Hold for 15 seconds. Return to center and repeat on the other side. This movement is wonderful for digestion, spinal health, and even helping with that tight feeling you might get after sitting for long periods. Cat-cow stretch, modified for chair, 60 seconds. Place your hands on your knees and slowly arch your back, lifting your chest and looking slightly upward. This is your cow position. Then, round your spine, tucking your chin toward your chest and pulling your belly button toward your spine. This is your cat position. Move slowly between these positions, following your breath. Gentle side bends, 60 seconds. Raise your right arm overhead and gently lean to the left, feeling a stretch along your right side. Don't worry about how far you can go. Focus on the quality of the stretch. Hold for 15 seconds, then switch sides. This helps maintain flexibility in your spine and can even help with breathing by opening up your rib cage. See the rest of the routine in the video description. Beautiful work today. You've just given yourself an incredible gift. 15 minutes of intentional movement that your body will thank you for throughout the day. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. If this routine resonated with you, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content designed specifically for our beautiful community of seniors who are choosing to live fully and freely. Keep living with freedom fully.